Hello everyone! The 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor arrives with the kind of presence that immediately tells you it's not just another mid-size pickup. From the moment you walk around it, the truck communicates purpose, aggression, and capability. The wider stance, bold Raptor grille, thick skid plates, and high ground clearance all contribute to a look that's both intimidating and functional. The flared fenders and sculpted hood give the truck an athletic silhouette, and the LED matrix headlights add a modern, sharp intensity that sets the tone before the engine even starts. Moving around to the side, the long travel suspension and all-terrain tires hint at the Raptor's true identity. A performance off-road machine built to dominate sand, mud, rocky trails, and everything in between. The 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels reinforce that this truck is engineered for real-world punishment, not just showroom style. At the rear, the blacked-out tailgate, LED taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and reinforced bumper complete the design with a confident look that matches the Raptor's rugged capabilities. The bed is practical, durable, and ready for work or adventure, featuring tie-down points, available lighting, and accessory compatibility for gear and tools. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ranger Raptor delivers a surprising blend of toughness and refinement. The interior features bolstered sports seats wrapped in premium materials designed to keep you secure during aggressive driving, yet comfortable enough for long journeys. The dashboard is clean and modern, anchored by a large vertical touchscreen running Ford's latest sync interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi capability, and a premium audio system create a high-tech atmosphere. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, offering performance timers, off-road views, drivetrain information, and real-time sensor data that adventure seekers will appreciate. Under the hood, the 2026 Ranger Raptor continues its tradition of power and excitement. Depending on the region, it offers a twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, giving the truck the acceleration and high-speed desert running capabilities that Raptor fans expect. The 10-speed automatic transmission is tuned for quick shifts and strong response, and the four-wheel drive system comes with multiple terrain modes to tackle sand, snow, mud, rocks, and trails with precision. The upgraded Fox adaptive dampers provide phenomenal control, absorbing harsh terrain while maintaining stability at high speeds. Whether crawling over uneven surfaces or launching forward on open desert roads, the suspension ensures the truck feels planted and confident. On the road, the Ranger Raptor is equally impressive. Despite its off-road focus, the steering remains responsive, the chassis feels solid, and the ride quality is surprisingly smooth. The exhaust note has the perfect balance of aggression and refinement, adding a satisfying growl without becoming overwhelming. Braking performance has also been enhanced to handle high-speed runs and challenging terrain. Safety and driver assist technology add another layer of confidence. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and 360-degree camera views give the Raptor modern capability on everyday streets as well as off-road environments. Strong structural components, intelligent traction systems, and improved crash protection complete the safety package. The unique selling point of the 2026 Ranger Raptor lies in its ability to combine extreme off-road capability with everyday usability. It's designed for enthusiasts who want a truck that can be driven during the week and pushed to the limit on weekends. The balance of performance, technology, durability, and bold styling makes it a standout in the midsize segment. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a performance enthusiast, or simply someone who wants the toughest-looking truck around, the 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor delivers an experience that goes beyond an ordinary pickup.